So I am addicted to my electric toothbrush, but I hate buying the official replacement heads. So I love getting these ones that are compatible and can kind of work with like a universal like toothbrush head. So these ones are in the medium to soft, and as you can see, these bristles are super soft. And I love that it has a great porosity to really get in there and clean. These ones are great for brushing and cleaning and just all around a great bristle. These were gifted to me from the brand, and always I would give mastery. So you're gonna find two. It actually comes in a pack of 10, which is amazing because I always need one. You never know. You need a new toothbrush, especially like when I'm sick. I always want to like get a new toothbrush to like after I'm done being sick. But it comes with these two little containers, which are perfect because my kids have already decided that these are going to be their new water cups, which I love that they included that. This also comes with a tongue scraper, which is amazing because just to get that little bit of extra friction is amazing, and getting like kind of helping with like your breath and everything just to scrape the tongue is really great. So if you're looking for replacement heads, definitely check